Hi, it's Roxanne, the spooky cat lady of dark, whimsical art. And look what came! The April Japan Crate. It's on time. Yay! So, let's take a look what's inside. April is Sakura time. So I bet there's a lot of Sakura stuff in here. And it looks like it. Here is the April 2021 booklet. And I will open it nice and wide, and that way you can take a look at everything that is in here. Alright, as I said in the last Japan Crate video, I am still on a diet. I've almost lost 8 pounds. So I'm not going to be eating much from this, especially since my husband just made a really high-calorie meal. So, yeah, we gotta work that calories off. Alright, here we go. We got Koikeya Pride Potato. So, some fancy potato chips. I'm sure they will be very tasty. And we have popcorn. And these, I believe, were ume. Where was the flavor? So that is a plum looking thing. So I guess they'll be sour. They're themed with sakura, but I don't think they have a sakura flavor unless it's plum and sakura. I don't know. I guess I could read the thing and find out. But what fun is that? And this looks like it's probably either peach or apple, maybe? Okay, we'll read the thing. Because I don't know. Hard part is finding it. So these are plum flavored, like I thought. And the Kit Kats, where are you, Kit Kats? Where are you? Oh, it's a bonus. They are also plum flavored. Hopefully it's good. I pretty much liked all the Kit Kats so far. And we got a yummy fishy. And flavor you fishy. Again, I guess I could just look at the guide, but I'm going to be stubborn. Looks like some kind of cola flavor. Fine. Look, fishy flavor. Problem is always finding it takes forever. Melon soda. Yeah, I figured it was some kind of soda based on that picture. And then we got this sparkling. Is it plum too? Yep, plum. It's all plum flavored. Oh, I hope I like plum flavor. This is matcha. Chocolate matcha, and it's by Bourbon, so I'm confident it will be good. Choco. These are different than what I've had. I guess that's what it's gonna be. This might be what I open and try. I don't know. And it's probably sakura flavor. Yeah, sakura mochi. And then we have this, which is pineapple. I think it's those long, chewy stick things. It might be gum. A curd candy of some type. Oh, it's like malt balls, kind of. And what flavor is this one? Malt balls candy. Refresh Coke. Okay, Refresh Coke flavor. These are little round ball things. And they are Putin chocolate strawberry milk flavor. It's probably going to be like an M&M that is strawberry milk flavored. These are new. They look like little French fries. I guess it's gum, or it's that chewy stuff that we sometimes get, and you think it's gum, and then you realize, oh no, that's not gum. That's not gum. Yeah, it's gummy fries. I got this. Strawberry. So this is new too. I haven't gotten any of these. It's a roll candy strawberry. Like a fruit roll-up maybe? We got these gummy. I guess they're going to be a ring like that. And yep, a gummy ring. These are probably going to be cherry. You use a toothpick and you poke them. These I've had before. This is always gum that's very similar to gum you'd get in like a baseball card or something. Not a whole lot of flavor to it. I still like them. And this is Sakura flavored Mentia. It's a mint, pocket mint for bad breath. I should probably take this with me because I gotta wear a mask for 8 hours every day. I could use these. I think I'll put those in my purse as soon as I get up. Done filming this. And these are these tiny little bead candy. It's mostly just really hard, tiny, round sugar candy. Not a whole lot of flavor to it, but fun. They're fun. I've had these before too, and this one is peach. And if I remember, they're like a powdery hard candy. I don't see it on the list. Here's peach mint. Peach mint. Maybe it is different. Alright, so that's gonna go in my purse. Gummies. Let's see. Yeah, I think we'll try this out of this box and see how tasty it is. So I think I forgot to show the drink. I might have shown it, but here it is, just in case I did. Seems to be some kind of sparkling fruit drink. I'm not gonna drink it yet because I probably won't like it because I don't like fruit drinks, but I'm still gonna try it. So I'm gonna save it until my husband is in the mood. I asked him, are you thirsty? And he's like, no. So I don't want to open it yet and waste it. And so here we go. It is individually wrapped, which is great and also bad for the environment. Here's what it looks like. Huh? Okay. I wasn't expecting chewy mochi to be in the center. It does have a very chocolate but also floral taste, like flowers. So I think there's a lot of people who wouldn't like this, but I like it. I don't know. Should I try one more thing? I'll do a bourbon. I will regret the calories. I've almost lost 8 pounds. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Oh, this one is all broken. And it is matcha. I can smell the matcha. There we go. As always, bourbon is so good, and I love sweet matcha. Of course, in Japan, I don't think they do. I think they prefer it not sweet. But I love it sweet. I do not like it without sweetener in it. So, you see these on Amazon? Give them a try. They're tasty. So that was the April 2021 Japan crate. It came on time. Yay! And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Mata ne!